Welcome to the Blue Mouse Knits. Today I'm going to teach you how to count rows when you're working cables. So find the hole from your cable, and just above the hole there should be a really stretched out stitch that is kind of diagonal. This is it right here. So it's the one right above your hole. Now this is actually not the cable row. The cable row is just above that. So you begin counting 2 rows or 2 V's above that diagonal stitch. So if this is my cable row, then I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've worked 9 rows since my cable row. If you're working flat and you're back to a right side row, then this should be an odd number of rows. If you're working in the round, this can be odd or even. And the same thing can be done on the other side. If I go my cable on the right half, you find the hole, and there's kind of a diagonal stitch right here. Your cable row is always 1 row above the stretched out stitch. So you see how diagonal stretched out that one is right here? You begin counting your rows 2 V's or 2 rows up from that. Not the diagonal stretched out stitch, not the one above it because that's your cable row, but all of the rows above that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I hope that made things a little bit clearer for you when learning to knit cables.